Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to find the key signature for flats. First, we're going to draw a chart. You need to remember bead, greatest common factor. Everything B flat and everything after B is flatted. So B and everything after is going to be flatted. And this method, there are many methods to finding flats, I use a small f here in the front. Notice this f is different than our last f down here, which is f flat. Alright. Pardon my bad handwriting. Hope you can still read that. Okay, now I'm going to start with the B flat. And B flat is going to go underneath every letter on the chart here, in every column. I'll correct the F flat in a minute after I explain why. Alright, now I'm going to move to E flat. E flat goes under everything, and it goes, it doesn't go under everything, it goes under everything except for the F. So I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to put it under the one just to the left of it, but not in the F column. So then you put it in every other column. A flat goes in the A flat column, and the one right next to it on the left side, and everything after it. D flat goes in the D flat column, but don't forget to put it in the one next to it on the left, and everything following. Guess what? G flat goes in this column with G flat, and to the left. Oops, that's a B. Sorry. C flat's going to start in this G flat column, and then F flat goes in the last two columns. If you notice, the C flat column and the F flat column have the same notes. You can't have that. In the F column over here, we have an F in the key signature, and a B flat, an F is the key signature. B flat is what's in the key signature. We have a B flat in the key signature. In algebra, if we do something to one side of the equation, if I want to get rid of this 3, I have to add 3 to this side. I can't just add 3 to that side and be done. I have to add 3 to this side as well. So the same goes. If there's an F here in this column and an F flat over here, then I add a flat to that F. Over here I have a B flat, so I can't just have I did something to one side of the equation, I have to do it to the other side. So I added a flat to the F over here. I'm going to add a flat to the B flat over here. So I have a B flat, I'm going to change it to B double flat. Okay, let me see if my eraser will work here. Erase my marks. Okay. Pardon my third grade handwriting. Oops. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright. This is the key signature here. This is the key you're in. In the key of F, I have a B flat. In the key of B flat, I have a B flat and an E flat. E flat major, I have B flat, E flat, and A flat. This is the key for majors, by the way. Not minor. We'll do that in a minute. Or in the next video. Alright, whenever I'm saying the key signature, if I say I'm in the key of A flat, I don't read the key signature backwards. I don't say it's in the key of A flat, here are my flats, D flat, A flat, E flat, B flat. No, I read from top down. So in the key of A flat, I have B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. In the key of D flat, I have B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. You don't read in a random order. This is the order of flats, going from top down, B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Alright, also notice that in my columns here, the first column, I have one flat. The second column, I have two flats, B flat and E flat. Third column, 3 flats. Fourth, 4, 5, 5 flats, 6 flats, 7 flats. And if you count the B double flat as 2 flats, then you have 8 flats in the F flat column. Yeah, my chart could keep going. I could say I have a B double flat column. I'm not going to go past this, but I'll show you. If I have a B double flat column, it's going to have all these notes, B, E, A, D, G, there's supposed to be a flat there, C, F. I'm going to copy the F flat column. You know what? I'm not going to copy the F flat column. I'm going to copy the B flat column to show you this in a different way. So I'm going to copy my B flat column over here. It has B flat and E flat, and everything else is natural in the B flat column, right? Okay, so if I change the B flat to B double flat in this column here, that means I'm going to have to do the same thing to the B flat and E flat and everything else. Everything is going to get an extra flat. So in B double flat major, I have B double flat, E double flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and F flat. Okay? Let me clear this drawing. Alright, let me show you that again. If I'm in the key of E flat major, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, you can use your chart to figure that out. In the key of E flat, I have B flat, E flat, I'm going to go one past, and A flat. What if I want to change that to E double flat major? I'm going to draw E flat major again. Okay, there's E flat major again. If I do one thing to one side of the equation, I have to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to change it because I want it to be E double flat major. I changed the first letter. I have to add a flat to that to make it E double flat. So I have to add a flat to everything thereafter. And that's how you write the scale for E double flat major. I could make it E triple flat major. I'm going to change it to E double flat major first. I'm just copying what I had above. I'm going to make it E triple flat major. I'm going to add a flat to everything. There's E triple flat major. You could go backwards too, I suppose, but I'm not going to do that. Alright, there are a couple other ways you may see this. Whenever we write flats on the staff, if we're using the treble clef, they have to go in this order. It's like a stamp. You cannot put them in random order. Here is the order: B flat, E flat, A flat, left to right, D flat, G flat, C flat, and F flat. If I were going to have a double flat, then I would start on B flat over here. Sorry, that looks like it's on the line. I mean the space, it's on the line. If I had, that's the key signature for F flat major, right? B, E, A, D, G, C, F. And then we added one more, so it'd be another flat there. You cannot do this. Let me erase that so you can see. Let's put that back now. Okay, that's the order of flats, B, E, A, D, G, C, F. This is incorrect. You could not go B flat, E flat. Sorry. A flat, D flat, G flat. See how they're random? They're the same notes. B, E, an octave lower, A, D, G, and then I could put C, F. This is incorrect. The stamp has to look like this. The order has to go just like that. Okay, let me show you one more thing. If you're a choir person, like myself, and you like solfege, I'm going to do bass clef this time. Boy, that's ugly. Sorry. B, E, A. Let's stop there. If you have this and you want to know what key you're in, you can also do this. The last flat on the right is Fa. You can go up or down to Do, and do is your key. Fa, so, la, ti, do. My do landed on this space, and you should probably know that this is the E space. I look down the space and I see that there's a flat on it, so this is the key of E flat major if I'm in major. One more method for you, and then I'll stop on the flats for majors. Back to my treble clef. If this is my key signature, I can also take the next to last flat, not this one, this is my last flat. I can look at my next to last flat, and whatever note that is my key if we're in the key, if we're in major. So this note is an A flat, so the key signature is A flat major. And that's all there is to flats.